Welcome to another Netskope Smart Cloud session. My name is Neil King. I'm the head of product management for cloud infrastructure security at Netskope. And today we're going to be talking about data security for public cloud infrastructure. First of all, there's kind of four key concerns we hear from organizations when we talk to them about what are they worried about when moving to the public cloud. And these four are really visibility, governance and compliance, data security, and threat protection. The one we're going to talk about today is data security. We're going to dive a little bit deep on that and talk about how Netskope helps in a multitude of ways protect organizations' data when they're deployed in the public cloud. So first of all, some of the challenges are a lot of companies today are in multiple clouds. They're in AWS, they're in Azure, they're in GCP. They have lots of different employees connecting to the public cloud to get work done. They also may have contractors connecting to the public cloud, and it becomes really, really hard to maintain control of your data with all that different activity going on. And so there's really three ways that Netskope helps organizations protect their data. So one of the key challenges is really understanding where is your sensitive data. So one of the things that Netskope does is we basically, via API, we can scan the content of the data in the buckets, and then we run our DLP algorithms, which have been kind of refined by Netskope over the last 5 years, include kind of world-class DLP capabilities, including thousands of identifiers that ship out of the box to look for things like social security numbers, personally identifiable information, those sort of things. So we basically scan the content to identify where the sensitive data is, which buckets they're in, which accounts they're in. So this way you get some visibility into your sensitive data. The second thing that's really important is to make sure that your all the places where you have data is configured properly. And so this answers questions like, is this database open to the internet? So anyone from the internet can connect into it. That would obviously be a bad situation. It also answers questions like, is encryption turned on for this data bucket, for example, as well. So those are a couple key ways that we can support data security via API that really affects anyone connected to your managed environment. But then the other big question people have is, what about my developers, my contractors potentially moving sensitive corporate data into their personal environments? Really, data exfiltration is a key issue as well. And so Netskope has a solution for that as well. And this really involves a different deployment method where we're deployed inline via forward proxy. And for customers that are in highly regulated verticals, this is a really interesting use case and a big concern for theirs, and they're excited about this opportunity. So what this allows you to do is you can route all the traffic from their managed devices, whether they're going to the the managed corporate cloud or they're going to their personal environment. And then you can actually apply policy. So if a personal user has access to your corporate buckets, the way that the public cloud works is they have a lot of permissions and capabilities. So they can actually go through and move data via the CLI from their corporate environment to their personal environment. But if you route through the Netskope cloud, we can actually block that movement of data. Likewise, if they try to download information from their corporate environment and then upload it to a personal cloud, that's another area we can block them, or we can just alert on it. But either way, you get visibility and the opportunity to apply your policies to data moving from corporate environments to personal environments. Thanks a lot, and I look forward to another session in the future.